You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to see all the videos you have liked on YouTube. Open the YouTube app on your phone or go to youtube.com on a browser and make sure you are signed into your account. On the mobile app, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select your channel. On your channel page, tap the Playlists tab. Here you will find a system-generated playlist titled Liked Videos. Tap on it to open and scroll through all the videos you have ever liked. On the YouTube website, click on the three-line menu icon in the top left to open the sidebar. Scroll down in the sidebar and click on the Playlists section. Find and click on the playlist named Liked Videos. Your liked videos will be displayed in a grid. You can sort them or search within the playlist using the search bar at the top. To remove a video from this list, simply unlike the video by clicking the thumbs up icon again, either from the playlist or when you find the video elsewhere. On YouTube, this playlist is private by default, but you can change its privacy setting to public or unlisted if you wish to share it. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.